Welcome to bananas, nature's convenient superfood. Let's peel back the layers on this amazing fruit. Though it comes from a plant resembling a tree, the banana is botanically a berry.
Originating in Southeast Asia, bananas were one of the very first fruits cultivated by early humans.
This popular fruit is recognized by its familiar elongated curve and peel that ripens to yellow. When perfectly ripe, bananas offer a uniquely sweet and creamy flavor with soft, fruity notes. Interestingly, the banana plant is the world's largest herb, and its fruit is a true berry. They're an excellent source of potassium for heart health, vitamin B6, and beneficial dietary fiber. Athletes can benefit from their quick energy, while others enjoy their support for digestive health. While healthy, their carbohydrate and natural sugar content means they should be eaten in moderation. Those with advanced kidney disease may need to limit potassium, so a doctor's guidance is key. For most healthy individuals, including 1 to 2 medium bananas as part of a balanced diet is ideal. They are perfect as an energizing morning snack or to fuel up before or after a workout. You can easily add them to your diet by slicing them over cereal or blending them. They are a star ingredient in classics like banana bread, pancakes, and refreshing fruit salads. Thankfully, this versatile and affordable fruit is available year-round in most grocery stores worldwide. In summary, the banana is a nutritious, convenient, and delicious fruit for a healthy lifestyle.
Like and subscribe for more evidence-based nutrition content. All references are listed in the video description.